We're all familiar with Lucid Motor's first luxury car coming out of the pipeline, the Lucid Air. It is a sleek electric vehicle that has captivated many people interested in making reservation pre-orders, and many EV investors as well. The Lucid Air should produce high profits for Lucid Motors given that luxury vehicles typically yield high margins, so we should expect further growth from Lucid once they start selling more and more of this sedan. So what's up next for Lucid? Well, in terms of the next car in their lineup that we know about, we have Project Gravity, referring to their electric vehicle SUV. But is this the right next step for Lucid? We'll be discussing Project Gravity and its implications for the Lucid CCIV stock in today's video. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Mark with MC Stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. So what do we know about Lucid's upcoming SUV? Well, not a whole lot aside from the fact that it appears to be the next car in their vehicle lineup. The reveal of Project Gravity is not particularly new. We first saw teases of it back when they first revealed the Lucid Air globally in September 2020. Here, we saw just a few cinematic highlight clips of the SUV driving around, but not a whole lot of detail. We did learn a bit more concrete details from the recent investor presentation after Lucid officially announced the merger deal with CCIV. They first mentioned the fact that they have a consistent underlying base component to all of their vehicle models, making it much easier to develop a variety of different cars. The Lucid Electric Advanced Platform is the base skateboard design that is currently used in the Lucid Air vehicles. This platform includes the battery pack and battery management software, the electric motors, power electronics, transmission, control software, and two-way onboard boost charger. So all of the core elements of a Lucid car in a single skateboard design that can have different car variants built on top. So the clear benefit here is that this makes production very repetitive regardless of the vehicle model, since the same underlying system is being used. The downside though is that if there are any faults with this platform, Lucid may run into the situation where they would have to recall not just a specific vehicle model, but all vehicle models since they all use this platform. So it is very critical for Lucid to produce this platform perfectly. So now we go on to the less technical details of Project Gravity. Here, they market Project Gravity as a reimagination of the SUV. With the use of their compact Leap design, Project Gravity SUVs will have lots of interior space. Then, the investor presentation takes us to their vehicle lineup timeline. Here we see the Lucid Air that we already know will be produced and delivered this year. Next, we learn that Project Gravity is planned to roll out in 2023, 2 years from now. Then we have a projected timeline of other undisclosed vehicles that could hit the lineup by 2030. But the key takeaway here is what they mention at the bottom. Lucid plans to start with high-end cars, build the brand synonymous with luxury, and then manufacture progressively more affordable vehicles in higher volumes. So Lucid is playing this very smartly. These expensive, high-end vehicles like the Lucid Air and Project Gravity should be yielding them very high margins despite the limited market that can afford these cars. But once they have accrued enough profits from these cars, they can then afford to develop and release more affordable EVs to the much broader market. This is a very similar approach to how Tesla went to the market. They mass-produced the pricier Tesla Model S sedan, followed up by the Model X SUV. We don't see a more generally affordable vehicle until the Model 3 hits the market, after Tesla produced the Model S and X. So we can see a very similar approach here with Lucid. But they want to make a very clear distinction that they are a luxury brand while Tesla is not, and their current prices don't hide it. Here in this slide of the investor presentation, we can see that Lucid excludes Tesla from the luxury Venn diagram, while Lucid places themselves in the post-luxury bubble. They define post-luxury as the shift from a status to state of well-being, opulence to refinement, materialism to experience, and more. So they are making a pitch to a market used to paying for expensive products to reevaluate their purchases for a more worthwhile product like Lucid. And ideally, this pitch should pull in more customers to buy their high-margin luxury cars, meaning more profits upfront for Lucid. So ideally, if this pans out right, we may see quicker growth for Lucid Motors expanding out into the market than the rate Tesla did. And they make their case in this slide. They expect that their first two vehicles, the Lucid Air and Gravity, will have 2% and 3% total available market share respectively. Do note though that they're giving Gravity a higher share. Let's also take a look at the production volume and revenue forecast. We can see in the top chart, the Lucid actually expects to have Gravity outperform the Lucid Air by 2024. They expect that Gravity could deliver 49,000 vehicles in 2024, while the Air will deliver 41,000. So they're making a pretty big bet on Gravity appealing to the market. This could be to how they plan to market the SUV, the prices they plan to sell it at, or the features and technology that come with the car. But for now, we can invest into CCIV stock to have our own share of the Lucid EV journey into the public market space. If you're looking to buy shares of CCIV and need a brokerage, be sure to use our referral links in the description below for some free sign-on bonuses that can get added to your accounts. Good luck everyone with your holdings, and stay tuned on our channel for any news regarding any Lucid Motors developments. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we can address them in future videos. Thanks.